Hello, I'm Martine. Welcome back to the ABBA English YouTube channel. This is a grammar video for beginners, and today I'm going to talk about the verb to be. Make sure you watch this video right until the end. I don't want you to miss anything. At the end, I'm going to tell you how you should talk about the things that you're doing right now. Maybe you know that already and you want to write in the chat. Watch till the end of the video to see if you're right. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you receive a notification when the next video is released. And you can also like the video. If you're studying the verb to be, you might want to check out these other resources from ABBA English. You can find a review of verb tenses, the verb to be in the negative, and a YouTube video with the best tips for beginner students. So, the verb to be. Why do we need it? It's the first verb you learn in English because you need it to introduce yourself. I am Martine. It's the easiest way to tell people your name. I am, then your name. So let's take a closer look at the verb to be. In the present simple tense, I am, I'm fine. You are, you're late. He is, he's happy. She is, she's English. It is, it's sunny. You can even make a question by changing the order of the subject and the verb. Is it? Is it sunny? Yes, it's sunny. You are welcome. You're welcome. We are pleased to meet you. We're pleased to meet you. They are. They're lucky. Did you notice there that I used the contractions I'm, you're, he's, she's, it's, you're, we're, and they're. And you also learned how to make a question. They are lucky. Change the order of the subject and the verb. Are they lucky? Are they? Are they lucky? Okay, well done. One thing I want to tell you about is when you talk about all the people, we use these expressions everybody or everyone. They both mean the same thing. And it's interesting to note that they conjugate as third person singular. Everybody is young. Everyone is happy. Okay, so we learned the verb to be, we learned the contractions, and you also learned how to form an interrogative sentence, a question. Let's take a look now at negative sentences. Do you know the Shakespeare quote? The very famous Shakespeare quote, to be or not to be. To make a negative sentence, we add the word not. I'm not angry. You're not tired. She's not late. He's not here. It's not sunny. You're not hungry. We're not old. And they're not coming. It's interesting to note that we have two ways to make the negative contractions. The way that I just told you about, using the positive contractions plus the word not. But there's another way. We can use the pronoun and then the correct form of the verb to be contracted with not. And what we do is we throw out the O of the word not and we add an apostrophe. So instead of you're not tired, we have you aren't tired. So are not is contracted to aren't, all one word. So you aren't tired, she's not late, she isn't late, he's not here, he isn't here, it's not sunny, it isn't sunny. You're not hungry, you aren't hungry. We're not old, we aren't old. They're not coming, they aren't coming. So we have two different ways that we can make those contractions. Learn the first way with the affirmative contraction plus the word not. And when you're familiar with that, then start learning the second way to make the contraction. I said right at the beginning of this video that I would show you how to talk about what you're doing right now. And the way we do that is to use the present continuous tense. Now this tense is formed using the verb to be. I am, or the contraction I'm. I'm speaking. And you can use any verb and add the letters ing to the end. I'm speaking. You're listening. You are listening, aren't you? She is exercising and listening. He is doing housework and listening. It isn't working. I need to get it fixed. You are making a cup of tea. You are making me a cup of tea, I hope. We are having a day off. And again, we can turn these short sentences into questions. Instead of we are having a day off, you can say, are we having a day off? Are we having a day off? Are you making a cup of tea? So, you can now talk about what you're doing at the time of speaking using the present continuous tense, and you can also ask somebody what they are doing at the time of speaking using the present continuous tense. A couple more examples. They are arriving at 7 p.m. Are they arriving at 7 p.m? Yes, they are arriving at 7 p.m. We can use the present continuous tense to express future actions when they're plans and arrangements. We're arriving at 7 p.m. That's in about 2 hours. So it's in the future. And you can use the present continuous tense to talk about plans and arrangements in the future. Okay, that's enough about the verb to be for today. We'll talk about how to form past tense sentences in a future video. Thanks for listening. I'd love to hear about what you're doing right now. Write in the chat. Present continuous tense, remember. Pronoun I, the verb to be, and then a verb ending ing to talk about what you are doing now. I hope that you are liking this video and subscribing to the ABBA channel. Thanks for listening. I'll see you very soon, but meanwhile, here are some other videos that you might find interesting. Keep on learning English. Bye-bye.